Hi friend, welcome to this vinyasa practice here on Amina Yoga. Today I have a bird of paradise flow for you. So we're moving towards the peak pose bird of paradise, but we might not get all the way, so feel into your body. The pose is a one-legged balance where we wrap the arms around the leg. And we're going to take many steps to get there, open the hips and the shoulders, move through the entire body. Bird of Paradise is really one of my favorite yoga poses of all time. I hope you're going to enjoy the practice. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the pose. And when you're ready, come down to your mat. We're going to start seated and let's find our flow. Land in your seat facing the front of your mat. Have some space in front of you for later. And then sit up tall. Let your hands just rest on your knees. Close your eyes down. Turn your attention to your body. Maybe scan it from the ground up. Release any unnecessary tension. And then shift your attention to your breath. Take 3 slow, intentional breaths. Got to even out your inhales and exhales. Let go of anything pulling your attention. This is really your moment, your time to be with yourself and your body. One more breath. And then blink your eyes open and extend your right leg in front. Keep the left bent in. Open the left knee to the side. Flex your right toes. Plant your hands on either side of the leg. 3 cat and cows here. Inhale to lift your heart. Look up. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Neutral spine. Point through your toes. And lift the leg up high. 1. Release it back down. 2. And release. And 3. And release. Take a twist to your right. Look over your right shoulder. And twist to your left. Look over your left shoulder. And keep the left hand planted behind you. Come up into a supported side plank. So your left knee slides in under your left hip. Reach your right arm up. Inhale, extend the arm overhead. Open through your side body. Breathe here. Use your next inhale to lift up. Gate pose, arms out towards either side. And then spin onto your right leg, toes point forward, bend the knee. Modified warrior 2. Start to shift forward as you inhale. Exhale back. Inhale. Exhale, 1 more. Shift forward and back. Release your right hand on the inside of your right foot. Open your chest. Look up and wrap your left hand around you. Maybe you place it onto your thigh, into your hip crease. Roll your left shoulder back. Look up. Breathe here. Gaze goes down towards the mat. Plant both hands on the inside of the right foot. Come into lizard. Walk the right foot out. Bring the left leg in. Lower your hips here to the floor. Strong through your front foot, your back knee. And start to bend your elbows and walk your right hand under your leg out to the right. Left hand out to the left. So you're in this wide position in your arms. Can you lower your upper body closer to the ground? You can stay here or option to wrap your right hand around, place it onto your lower back. You can stay here, or maybe you lift the left hand as well, meeting at the back. Take one more breath. Gently release. And we sit back where we started. Right leg forward, left in. Inhale here. And then take your right hand in between your shoulder blades, left hand behind you, maybe fingers meet. And we change sides. Left hand in between your shoulder blades, right hand behind. Reach your arms to the sides, interlace them, lift your heart, inhale. Exhale, fold from here. Pause, take 3 slow breaths. Gently come back up. And let's change sides, change legs. Left leg long, right is bent, flex the left toes, hands on either side of the leg, 3 cat and cows. Inhale, lift your heart, look up. Exhale, round chin to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Back to neutral, point through your left toes, and then 3 leg lifts. 1, back down. Press into your hands to lift up and release. Lift up and release. Twist to your left. Twist to your right. The right hand stays behind you as you shift into a supported side plank. Right knee in under the hip. Inhale, left arm forward overhead. Shift up into gate pose and then open the front foot, the left foot, bend the knee, shift forward and back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Plant the hand on the inside of the foot. Wrap your right hand behind you. Roll the shoulder open. Gaze up. Coming into lizard from here, release both hands down. Come in with the back leg, the back knee. Walk the front foot out to the side so you can have your hands underneath your shoulders on the inside of the foot. Start to bend your upper body down so you can slide your left arm underneath the leg out to the left, and you can slide your right hand out to the right. Stay here, maybe lower a bit more, open your hands wider. You can, if you want to, wrap your left arm, place it onto your lower back. Push into your legs, maybe wrap your right hand as well. Take one more breath. And gently release. We come back into where we started, that seating position. Right knee is bent, left leg is extended. Find the arms, left hand over, right from below. Maybe they touch. And change sides. Open the arms, interlace your hands, inhale. Exhale, fold. So this arm movement will come back later. The Garudasana arms, the cow face arms, where the hands meet in between the shoulder blades. And then this interlaced position with a fold. Take one more breath. And lift back up. Cross your ankles, roll over your knees, downward facing dog. You can pedal out here if you want to. Maybe exhale through your mouth. Inhale, right foot up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip. Foot comes across to the left. Can you look under your left armpit? Can you see your foot? Extend the leg back again and step it forward in between your hands. Lower the back foot on an angle. Warrior one, Virabhadrasana one, lift up. Right hand on top, left from the bottom, Garudasana arms, and switch, left on top, right on bottom. Open wide, interlace your hands, inhale. Exhale, fold into humble warrior. Breathe here. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, hands find the mat. Three-legged downward facing dog, kick back. Come forward to a three-legged plank and chaturanga, lower all the way down to the mat. Lift up cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot floats to the ceiling. Exhale, open the hip. Bend the knee. Can you see the foot underneath your right armpit? Extend the leg, inhale. Exhale, step forward into warrior one. Lift up. Left hand on top, right on bottom. Garudasana arms, change sides. Open, interlace, lift your heart, and then fold forward into your humble warrior. Inhale, lift back up, plant your hands, three-legged downward facing dog, three-legged plank, and chaturanga, maybe all the way to the floor, or maybe you take your upward facing dog. Exhale, down dog. Deep breath in here. Long breath out. Right foot up towards the ceiling, inhale. Exhale, step the foot in between your hands, warrior one. Right hand on top, left on bottom, they meet in between the shoulder blades and change. Inhale, interlace your hands behind you, lift your heart. Exhale, melt forward, humble warrior. Inhale, come back up. We build on from here, warrior two. Exhale. Stay for a breath. Now release your right hand on the inside of your right foot. Left hand wraps around your back. Open your shoulder, roll it back, gaze up towards the ceiling. Keep the left arm wrapped as you extend the front leg into triangle. If you feel like you're rolling forward in your upper body, you can come up with that right hand. Lift your upper body away from the floor a bit more. Keep it open to the side. One more breath. Look down, coming into our half moon. Right hand in front of you to find balance. Lift the left leg. You can keep the left hand wrapped around. And if you want to, you bend the left leg in, you catch the foot with your hand. This bound variation, open up, lift your heart, kick the foot and hand away from you. Slowly release. Place it down, hands down, three-legged downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, three-legged chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, down dog. Other side, inhale, left leg back. Exhale, step the foot in between your hands. Warrior one, lift up high. Left hand on top, right on bottom. And change. Open your arms, interlace them, lift your heart. Exhale, fold. Humble warrior. Inhale, lift up. Warrior two, open your arms. Gaze forward, one breath. Extended side angle, left hand in the inside of the left foot. Right arm wraps around you, maybe finding your hip crease, just resting on your lower back. Roll your right shoulder back, gaze up towards the ceiling. Coming into triangle from here, right hand stays where it is. Extend the front leg. Maybe you come up on your fingertips or lift higher up. If you feel like you're rounding your upper body forward, keep your hips, your heart open. Gaze goes down, coming into our balance, our half moon, left hand in front and outside of the foot. So it comes under your shoulder. Flex the back foot, toes pointing to the side. If you want to, maybe you bend the lifted leg, catch the foot with your hand, and kick the foot into your hand. Away from you, lift your heart. Slowly, gently release, big step back with your right foot. Spin the arms down, three-legged downward facing dog. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale here. Exhale here. Before we find our next flow, release your knees to the mat and sit back, child's pose. Rest your forehead to the floor. Pause here. Inhale, lift your upper body up and come into a seat on your heels. Right hand behind you, and then take your left arm. Inhale, sweep it around, lift it up, open your heart. Back down, change sides. Left hand behind you, right open. Maybe you stay here, maybe you introduce the hips. So as you open, you also lift your hips. Hello, plant. Sit back down, change sides. Let's do one more each side. Lift up, open, and down. Inhale to open. Exhale down and back to downward facing dog, where we're going to take a twist. So widen your feet. Push into your hands. Left hand finds the right ankle. Twist and look underneath your right shoulder. Gently release and change sides. Downward facing dog, walk the feet back in. Inhale, right foot up to the ceiling. Exhale, step forward in between your hands. Warrior one, lift up. Right hand on top, left on bottom. Fingers meet in between shoulder blades and switch. Open your arms and interlace them behind you. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, back up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale here. Exhale, side angle with the arm wrapped around, the left arm wrapped around. And maybe the right arm and hand wraps around underneath the right leg. Catch the left. Open up here. Lift your heart. Gaze up. Can you come into a bound triangle from here? Extend the front leg. Keep the bound arms if you can. If you're not reaching them together, you can hold into your clothes or just keep that top arm wrapped, the bottom arm on the floor. One more breath. From here, we're coming into our bird of paradise. Look down towards the floor and take the back foot, the left foot, and step it forward so it lands next to the right. You're in this bound forward fold. Push into the left foot and lift your right knee, foot away from the floor. Come all the way up. Keep the bind in your arms behind you. Maybe you stay here. Maybe you extend the leg. One breath. Maybe two breaths. And bend the leg. And gently step back. The right foot down. Left foot back. And release the arms. Come up, warrior two. Exhale, spin it down. Three-legged downward facing dog. Take your vinyasa. And from down dog again, we're finding the other side. Lift the leg, inhale. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, warrior one. Left hand on top, right on bottom. And change. Open your arms wide. Interlace them, lift your heart and fold. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, warrior two. Open your arms. Inhale here. Exhale, side angle with the bind. Maybe half with the top arm, or maybe you introduce the left arm as well. Reach it underneath the thigh and around. Catch a hold. Triangle from here. Can you keep the bind in your arms? Extend the front leg. Look up towards the ceiling. Maybe you stay here. If you came with me on the other side, gaze down, step the right foot forward, coming to balance on the right foot. Gently lift the left leg. Come all the way up. I lost my balance. Take a breath. All the way up to standing. You can stay here. Maybe extend the left leg. Gently bend it back and slowly release down. Right foot steps back and release the arms. Warrior two. Inhale. Exhale, spin it down. Three-legged downward facing dog. Our last vinyasa. Inhale, open. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take one breath here. Release into child's pose. Widen the knees, toes together. Forehead to the mat. This time, bend your elbows, flip your palms to face the ceiling. Give yourself a smile as you remind yourself that all of this movement that we do on the mat, it's all for play. It's all an exploration. We can bring our curiosity and see what happens. Take another breath and we're gonna lift up. Come away from the floor. And just sit down. Reach your legs forward again. Bring your right knee in. This time, knee up towards the ceiling. Right hand behind you. Gentle twist to your right. Pause here. Come back to center. Change sides. Twist to the left. Wrap your arm around the leg. Left hand behind you for support. Gently come back to center. From here, roll all the way down onto your back. Walk your feet in. Prepare for a bridge. We'll do one back bend to end the practice. Press into your feet and then engage your glutes to lift your hips. If you want to walk up on your shoulders, you can. Maybe interlace your hands underneath you. Stay here for 5, 4, 3. Maybe you lift a bit higher. 2, 1. Gently release back down. Hug your knees into your chest. Wrap your arms around. Lift your head, forehead towards your knees. Big squeeze here. Inhale. Exhale into Shavasana. Release to the mat, to the floor. Heavy through your body like you're sinking into the ground. Take this moment to integrate the practice. And I'll let you know when it's time to come back. Gently move your fingers and toes, hands and feet. Keep your eyes closed. Take a big inhale, lengthen your arms overhead. Exhale, come over to one side, pause here. And then we'll meet in a seat. Eyes closed all the way, sit comfortably. Let your hands meet in front of your heart center. We'll close the practice with one arm together. Take a breath before, in through the nose, out through the nose. Inhale for Om. When you're ready, blink your eyes open. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this Bird of Paradise flow, and I'll see you soon for another practice.